Today we are going to be using a contour cutting tool to cut a tile around this door frame that has a lot of different angles and some bumps and not straight edges. So for $10 or $15 you can get this adjustable contour tool. I have peel and stick tiles, and I have made a paper template, and I've got my scissors and pencil ready. So we're going to clear it first. And then because this is a corner, we're actually going to end up doing it twice. And then we lock it. And so now it shouldn't move. And then we're going to trace it onto here. And to find my corner, I look how far into the corner it could go, because this little edge doesn't have orange pieces. So I know there's a teeny bit that I'm going to have to start tracing and leave a little bit of space. And now we're going to clear it again and go in from the other direction. And this I can line up with the edge of the tile. Trying to keep my cat out of here while I'm tiling. So there's this. I know that I can line up this corner with the paper that I already have. So now I have my template, and I just need to cut along here. I have already done that on this piece, and I corrected for exactly where the edge of the tile actually is. So we are going to trace this shape onto my tile. And if you have ceramic tile, you can use a wax pencil and that will come off. This is peel and stick tile that is solid, so my pencil just erases. And hopefully you can see that. We're going to cut along that and then double check that it fits. And then I'm going to dry fit this over here and see how it's going. All right, I'm going to cut off this edge of the paper. Not all tile has this. And it's very nice because it really peels back easily, but when you're measuring an exact piece, it can get in the way. And just be careful not to cut the tile. You're just cutting the paper on the back. And I know I'm gonna have to cut off a little bit at this edge as well. So I can see I have to cut off this much. All right. What a weirdo. Okay. So just a smidge. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I did paint the edge white, which will blend in, and you can also put some caulking in there. Oh. So it's getting much closer. We're gonna cut a little bit in this corner, and then we will be where we're supposed to be. And we're gonna peel it and start sticking. It's my supervisor. And there we have it. A very closely cut tile for a very angular piece of wood. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe.